Hello and welcome to Olivia's channel. Do you love chili and spicy food? Well, I do. So you added too much chili to your dish. Is it too hot and unenjoyable? Should you throw it away? How to tame food that's too hot? How to save a dish with too much chili? Before we start, the heat we feel from chili is due to a substance called capsaicin. The substance attached to the heat-sensing receptors on the tongue. To your brain, physical burning and chili heat are identical sensations. These sensors normally only activate at temperature above 108 degrees Fahrenheit or 42 degrees Celsius. There are a number of methods and ingredients you can add to tone down or distract from the heat sensation in the dish. 1. Limiting salt. Salt intensifies the taste and increases the sensitivity of heat receptors on the tongue to capsaicin. 2. Limit or avoid acidic food, such as vinegar and citrus juice. Citrus juice also intensifies the taste of food and trigger heat-sensitive nerves on the tongue. 3. Add cream or yogurt to the dish or your plate, since they absorb some of the capsaicin of the chili. 4. Add sweeteners such as honey or sugar to balance the chili heat. 5. Last but not least, add water or more vegetable to dilute the heat over a wider area. I hope you learned something new and found this video helpful. If yes, please give us a like and consider subscribing. Watch other videos from my channel that you might also like. Thanks for watching.